What's up, you guys, and welcome back to Clevver Style. It is Halloween weekend. As you can see, I took some time off from saving the world to be here with all of you. Now listen, 2020 has been scary enough on its own, but the costumes from the celebs this year did not disappoint. Yes, we are in quarantine, and yes, everybody is just at home, but the costumes were amazing. So we are here to break down some of the best Halloween costumes of 2020 right here on Dirty Laundry.
Oh my gosh, Halsey as a corpse bride. Yes, I love this. It's so cute. She's basically unrecognizable.
I love this. I love anytime somebody fully commits. She painted herself blue. I love this. Also, can we talk about the eye situation? How she made her eyes bigger by drawing the white.
We guys, Halsey as corpse bride looks cute as heck. Looks a little dead, looks very blue. Love the tiny little details and the makeup and the eyebrows and everything is so good.
I think she's supposed to look scary, but she still looks beautiful.
Also, that is insane that she was able to make her nose look that narrow, because you know how corpse bride's nose is like, because she's literally dead, she's a skeleton. How did makeup, the power of makeup? This is incredible. I really want to know if it was professionally done or if she did this herself, because if she did this herself, we already knew she was talented, but girl.
Really, truly, she managed to nail it. They look like twins. She posted an original as her last picture on Insta, which is great because you really, truly see that this is kind of perfect.
Okay, next up we have the Riverdale cast as the Powerpuff Girls.
I think this is so cute and so smart and just like so perfect. We have Madeleine, so cute as Blossom, with Cammy as Buttercup and Lily as Bubbles, and I just think the pose and like everything was done so well.
The girls of Riverdale honestly could not look any cuter if they tried, and that's just every day. But on Halloween, as the Powerpuff Girls, they are freaking adorable.
I like this. I think it's cute. It's a little simple, you know. It's a little low effort. I don't know if I would pick this as my favorite because there were a lot of good costumes this year. But this shows that, you know, it's relatable in the sense that you could easily just grab these pieces out of your closet and do a little DIY situation, which that's what it looks like they did.
They're obviously all in Canada together filming Riverdale, and I just think that this was like so spot on for them to do. I can't believe I've never thought to do this costume myself.
There's something about a group costume, you know, it just makes you still feel the joy and excitement of Halloween, even though Halloween looked a lot different this year. But the fact that they had a group costume is really like super adorable. I love the matching outfits. I love like all their different accessories, and their makeup is so sweet and perfect. They're perfect.
Yes, next up we have Lizzo. She went as the fly on Mike Pence's head during the presidential debates, and I think this is great.
Pretty funny, and I just noticed that her bra says vote on it, so we love a good PSA.
I love her fly makeup too. This is like the hottest fly makeup I've ever seen.
And she posted videos on Instagram twerking on his head and had the full clip of him in the debate and then on his head and twerking. I think this is great.
Lizzo is just always on point. She's always very fun and creative with this type of stuff. So I am not surprised, and she did an amazing job as a fly.
I think we can all take enjoyment out of a costume like this. So you crushed it, Lizzo. This is so good.
Okay, next up we have Kendall and Kylie dressed up as themselves from the past, I believe.
This is such a good idea. Kylie and Kendall are dressed up as Kylie and Kendall.
Oh my gosh, you guys, I am dying. Kendall and Kylie recreated their own childhood photo. That is so something I would do. Ugh, why didn't I think to do that?
The costumes look spot on to what they wore back in the day, which is really funny because it's like the fact that they were able to find that in adult sizes. I'm sure they had this custom made. I like the commitment. It's creative. You know, it's probably very much so like an inside joke kind of costume.
I don't know which one I like better. Maybe Kylie, just because there's like a lot more color and it's really fun. I literally have that wig. I love that they still did the awkward smile that they just like nailed.
It's so good. And the wigs, everything's perfect about this. I love it. There's something really cute about it. And I don't know, sisters like recreating a sister's picture, I'm here for it.
This is cute. I'm sure that Mama Chris appreciated. Moms love a nice little throwback nostalgia moment. So I'm sure she was here for this.
I mean, look, that's amazing effort when you have money and you have people that can like custom make adult versions of things. Like, well, why not just go all out? They both look like Barbie dolls. I seriously think that is so funny. 10 out of 10. What a great Instagram side by side.
All right, Lil Nas X as Nicki Minaj actually deserves all of the praise in the entire world because this is freaking perfect.
Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Yes, yes, yes. This is what I was waiting for. Lil Nas X as Nicki Minaj in the Super Bass video. He killed this.
Wowza. The chest on Lil Nas X is a whole vibe.
The makeup on this is incredible. The outfit is incredible. This entire shoot is incredible.
This is commitment. He looks amazing. He looks like her. We got the boobies, the prosthetic boobies, however he did that, the bayang, the hair, the color, the jumpsuit, the lipstick, the makeup, the bangles, it's spot on.
It works because it's all there. He's nailed every single component of Nicki Minaj, even like the background, and it's just so good. I'm obsessed with this. I think this is absolutely amazing. And I don't know, he should consider like doing this more often because he looks good.
Okay, yes, Saweetie as Destiny's Child. Oh my God, this was so good. You guys, I can't put into words how good this is.
That's her in every picture? Oh my God, she looks stunning in all of them.
This is amazing. I mean, it's her times 3. This is so perfect. This is what you do in quarantine. Like, this is the absolute best way to spend your time because it is so good.
Saweetie did Destiny's Child, their Bootylicious video, and I mean did it verbatim, like exactly, from the facial expressions to the outfits to the moves. She looked absolutely incredible. When I first saw this, I thought it was Destiny's Child, which is saying a lot because your girl loves Beyonce.
Also, what have we learned? She can really pull off like any hairstyle. I think that's her biggest takeaway of Halloween is like it doesn't really matter. Everything looks good on her head.
Okay, next up we have Shawn Mendes and Camila Cabello. He's supposed to be, according to his Instagram, beat up, and Camila is a Miami witch, and I am confused.
I don't get it. Like, why is he beat up? Is there like a joke?
Do I just not get the reference? Maybe that's what it is. Is beat up like is it a music video? Or is he just saying he's like beat up, like someone beat him up?
I honestly have no idea what they're dressed up as. It doesn't matter. They look good.
I mean, they look cute. I feel like with this level of fame and like money and probably time, I would have expected maybe a little bit more. But, you know, you do whatever you want.
Let's be real. There's nothing really there. But, you know, respect for trying and respect for being Camila Cabello and Shawn Mendes.
Sorry guys, this is whack. I don't get it. I don't get it. Why? I don't get it.
Oh my God. Nikita Dragun as Mystique. Are you kidding?
Come through X-Men headquarters. Jeez, if all of us are out here just popping off for Halloween, who is at the headquarters?
This is borderline like movie level, like she could be Mystique.
I mean, she just like went all out. Oh my God, the video.
This is fantastic. She painted herself from head to toe in blue, or somebody painted her in blue, and she has like the Mystique scales perfectly placed to cover up her lady bits, and she looks absolutely incredible.
Obviously it's Nikita, like we know that something amazing was coming, but the attention to detail here is everything.
No, I expect nothing less from Nikita Dragun. Nikita Dragun dresses up on any given day, so Halloween is going to naturally be her Super Bowl.
So stunning, and honestly, like with all the free time we have, this is what I want to be seeing. Like, this is the kind of effort I want from everybody this year, because this year is hard and I need someone to make me go, wow.
So next up, we have Ciara, who just went all out this Halloween.
All right, Ciara kind of stole Halloween because she had like 17,000 costumes.
Are these all from this year? So did she just have like a full-on shoot at home with like all these different people? Okay, this is like too much ever. Like, I don't have this much in me.
She did the Invasion of Privacy cover, which looks exactly like Cardi's. She created a Nicki Minaj, I believe it was the Grammys red carpet when she did this leopard full body situation, and it looks exactly like Nicki's. She did Megan Thee Stallion's, Girls in the Hood. I think it was her single cover or album cover. She did Jan Jackson and Busta Rhymes. She did it with Russell Wilson. Like, this is incredible.
I would love to hang out with Ciara and Russell Wilson for Halloween because I feel like they just did it. They owned it, they did it, they're perfect. I love it.
I totally relate though, because I'm one of those people who at any chance will impersonate and like recreate a really fun, famous outfit or picture or album cover. So like that kind of effort is definitely something I relate to and respect.
Ciara, I have no words other than compliments for you for this. Bravo, brava.
I feel like Ciara had the absolute best time on Halloween and I'm just here for all of it.
Okay, you guys, you know the drill. We have to talk about our favorites. I can't even pick. There were so many good costumes this year. Of the ones we talked about, I have to give it to Lil Nas X and Saweetie. You guys pulled this through. You knocked it out of the park. You killed it. Honorable mentions, I have to shout out Ryan Destiny for recreating Lauryn Hill's iconic, that yellow backdrop photo. Twins. Incredible. Also, shout out to Ricky Thompson and Denzel Dion for killing it every year. They did multiple looks, giving me nothing but entertainment, okay?
My absolute favorite from the list tonight, hands down, was Nikita Dragun. I mean, the energy, the effort, the beauty, the makeup, the hair, the like texture, just so clever. And I would say probably my second favorite was the Riverdale girls, just as being the Powerpuff girls, but just because it was so perfect, like they had to do it, and I wish I was involved.
All right, surprisingly enough, it's so much more difficult to pick a favorite this year. I thought we weren't gonna get much, but we got everything and so much more. I feel like, oh man, Lil Nas X probably is my favorite. It's everything I ever wanted. It's perfect. I think he freaking nailed it. And he makes a really good Nicki Minaj.
I love me some Halloween. You guys, thank you so much for watching. Let us know in the comment section below which of these costumes were your favorites. Are there any that we missed? I know we missed a lot. There are so many good costumes this year. Let us know in the comment section below. Also, let us know what you dressed up as for Halloween this year. But you guys, mama's gotta go take this costume off. And when I say that, I mean I have to go head back to X-Men headquarters. So I am pleased to tell you that your laundry is now officially dirty. You're welcome.